Alright guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching a series of video about Unity game development, and yeah, we already achieved a lot. So if you're new here, welcome new friends. This channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence, AR, VR, all the fun stuff, and yeah, we are making a third-person controller from scratch, and let's do it. So previously, we already know, we already built the gravity, the sprint, the walking, and yeah, but we haven't got the jumping yet. So let's do that. So in order to get the jumping, we are going to make a serialized field that can specify the height of jumping. So yeah, I think I'm going to make it here. Gravity layer. Yeah, let me just rearrange that a bit. Okay, serialized field, and then private. Okay, so I'm going to add a serialized field, and I'm going to make a private float jump force. Yeah, pretty good. But instead of using force, I'm going to use yeah, maybe just jump force. Okay, so let's just use that because I trust the power of big data. Okay, so if compiler suggests, which means that a lot of people name this, and maybe it's the standard convention or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to trust compiler on this one because there's no logic faults in this one. Okay. Once you got that, we can actually make it jump. Okay, so else if let's look at here. So we got idle, walk, run, and yeah, we haven't got a jump yet. So before we got that, let's write the jump code. So private void, and that will be our jump. Okay. Yeah, compiler just automatically suggests that. Okay, the jump force multiplied by -2 square root. Yeah, it's basically just the function that calculates how high that we're going to jump, because the height will actually influenced by the jump force as well as gravity. So it's like an initial speed, so like a projectile, and you calculate how high the projectile can reach. It's just simple math. Of course, you can change that. That's the amazing thing about it. You can change whatever you want. You can change really weird things. So for example, you want the velocity to be really high. You can change this thing. It's like you are building the world of your own. Okay, so you can even set the physics of the world. Okay, and after you're ready, I think you can actually call that. So if it's grounded, if it's ground, we can get walk around idle. Okay, and of course you can also get the jump. Okay, so if you transform direction. Okay, so compiler seems to suggest to move this code inside. Okay, so I might as well just move inside and listen to compile it. Okay, so yeah, it's grounded, so you can have that certain direction multiplied by speed. Okay, that's good. And of course, there's jumping. So if we say jumping, get key down space. Yeah, good. So we get the key space down, then we'll be able to jump. Okay, and all that is inside of big condition is grounded. Only when you touch the ground, we'll be able to jump. And jump, we'll call this jump function. Change the velocity and get change that velocity to the jump force and gravity function square root of that. Yeah, pretty good. And let's test this out. So space bar is the key code that Unity is listening. So let's see. Okay, so let's test it out. Oh wait, the jumping is not working. So what the heck is happening? So we got this okay, maybe it's because Okay, so it's not working. Let's do a quick debug. Okay, after a few seconds of debug, silly me, I haven't got the jump force initialized. So I manually input jump force of 20, and everything's soft. And of course, I'm going to change that a little bit. To give jump force initial force, 20 is definitely too much. Maybe just 10. Okay, and save it. And what I'm going to do is to restart this game, but this time I'm going to reset all these settings so you can refresh it. So should be able to reset it. Yeah, pretty weird. Reset. Okay, so distance with ground, we can say maybe 0.5, and gravity will be like, yeah, I think I can hard code it here. So yeah, let's hard code it here. Current speed, walk speed, round speed, ground. The distance to ground will be, since it's floats, 0.5 we suffice, and on ground layer ground gravity. Let's do in minus say just 10. Okay, it's a float. I'm just adding F. Jump force, a float, just add F. Okay, so yeah, and reset that will just automatically update it. So yeah, I'm late. So I just hard coded it. You can just leave it blank, and every time you enter the game, you can reset it. I just want to hard code it just for a quick demo. Okay, so let's jump. Okay, we got the jump force of 10. Okay, so we got the the current speed is really slow, and it's weird. Why so slow? That's maybe because gravity is too much. Distant round speed is grounded. It should check it's grounded. Why is not grounded? That's a little bit weird. Distance to ground, let's change to 0.2. Okay. Huh. It's another bug. The current speed is 0. Should be 5. That's so weird. Everything just changed. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have to hard code it. Let's scrap that. Okay, scrap that. Jump force. Let's scrap all that. Okay, and reset it. Do that manually, because this is really weird. It just worked that time. Just the time when I test this code is working. It's weird. Okay, so it's grounded. Distance to the ground. 0.2. Oh, gravity layer. I haven't got that. So sorry about that. It's a reset. Gravity will be say, yeah, scrap it. I'm going to hard code it. Sorry about it. Okay, so hard code it and reset it. That's because I haven't set the ground layer. Yeah, silly mistake, silly me. I'm so silly. Yeah, and we can reset it, and distance to ground layer, ground gravity minus jump force. Yeah, everything should be fine. Okay, we should see this guy fall from the sky, and we can move forward, backwards, holding shift just to go crazily fast, and space we'll give it really high set. This is really high. That's really high. And it seems that it's so high, the jump force so high. Maybe not. Maybe just 2. Maybe. Let's test this out. Take it back. Okay. Okay, I know. Maybe just because the distance to ground is too much. Maybe 0.2. Okay, let's test this. Okay, if you set it too much, it will be a little bit choppy, and we don't want that. So distance to ground 0.2. Let's change that because I hard coded it. That's sorry about that. Distance to the ground 0.2, maybe just 0.5 to 0.2. Jump force maybe not too much. I think the jump force should be 2 or 1. That will be enough. So let's just set it to gravity -10. Okay, that's good, because you don't want it to be too weird. Okay, if you got too weird, user will think it's a comical or bad design. I use this really big number for run speed. That's because I just want you guys to see that really clearly of what's going on. Okay, it's a little bit comical. Like down. Maybe I can make the gravity a little bit higher, so -620. Okay, that's more like it. That's more like it. So you can change gravity to -20 for a better outcome. So gravity -20. It doesn't necessarily be the real life gravity, because you can actually essentially do anything. Okay, and yeah, and I think that's all for this video, because we already solved the jumping functionality. And yeah, please subscribe, by the way, to my channel, and give the video a thumb up if you think my video is helpful. If you got anything, any suggestions, anything, any topic you want to discuss, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye.